Hello readers. So in your last mini lesson, we asked questions about a text before and during reading. We asked questions to help us set a purpose for reading and to clarify our understanding. In today's lesson, we're going to look and work on determining the central or main idea and supporting evidence in an informational text. We're going to look at the story Beautiful Butterflies. In our mentor text, Beautiful Butterflies, we're going to be determining the central idea and supporting evidence of a paragraph that helps us pick out what information we should remember as readers. It also helps us understand the author's purpose for writing. I'm going to read the first paragraph of our story in order to determine what our central idea is. So as I'm reading, I'm going to ask, what is the central idea for my paragraph? Butterflies are common insects that come in a variety of colors and sizes. These diverse and lovely animals are found all over the world, except on the continent of Antarctica. According to the North American Butterfly Association, there are about 20,000 different species of butterflies in the world. Now that I've read my first paragraph, I'm going to determine what my central idea is. And sometimes an author will state a central idea right in the text. Other times the central idea is unstated or implied, and I have to use key details to determine what the central idea is. This paragraph provides many facts about butterflies. So it tells me that butterflies come in all varieties of colors and sizes. It also tells me that they are found everywhere except on the continent of Antarctica. And then lastly, it tells me that there are about 20,000 different species of butterflies in the world. So based on those details that are all supporting evidence for the author's central idea that butterflies are a common and diverse species. So what I'm going to do here for my central idea, I'm going to write it in. The central idea for this paragraph is that butterflies are a common and diverse species. Based on all of the text that I underlined, it tells me that that is my central idea. So now that we've practiced finding the key details and central idea, I'm going to talk about what the central idea is and how I can look for it more specifically. So I know that the central idea is the most important idea in a text. So I went ahead and wrote that down. So to determine the central idea, we know we need to identify the key details, just like we did with Beautiful Butterflies. I know that key details act as supporting evidence for the central idea. So I also wrote that down. We have to think about what the details have in common. And then last, we have to ask, what big idea do these details support? So what is the common theme between the information that you underline or read about in that paragraph? So now that I've showed you the steps and how to find the central idea of a paragraph, you are going to read paragraph 2 and tell me in your Schoology assignment what you think the main idea or central idea for that paragraph is. I'll read it through one time and then you'll get to read it in your virtual version. So paragraph 2 says, some butterflies migrate or move from one habitat to another. Each year, monarch butterflies migrate south during the winter and then fly back north in the spring. Monarchs from the eastern United States spend their winters in Mexico. So now it's your turn to practice. Enjoy!